Hello everyone, it's Sunday afternoon. Usually I'm not fixing anything on a Sunday, but we have this kind of urgent job, so we only have 2 hours to fix this. What is this? This is some kind of digital scale for LP gas, and it was booked in as a coming on, but is giving some distorted display on the screen. The numbers they are no they They've got some cutted numbers. You can't even read properly. So let's power on. Here we have a switch button on. You can see, check here. This is supposed to be a 0 and it's cutted. And it's writing something weird on the display. You can see all the numbers here. Check here. The first display. So we have to fix this. Yeah, this is some digital scale for LP gas. I believe there are some electronic board inside. So let's get inside quickly and try to fix this. Yeah, people are crying. Please, can you fix this for me? Fix this for me. I know it's Sunday. I will pay you more because that's the only scale which I'm using. So my business is nothing is going on the side of business. Okay, so we do have the battery, that is switch. The battery looks fat. This battery looks fat. Okay, yeah, physical inspection is very important. Maybe you might see something like broken tracks or anything. Because there must be a reason why the scale is behaving that way. This is a 6.7 discharged, 7.2 fully charged. I want to check the battery voltage. Sometimes a very low battery can also give us false readings, very possible. 6.56, 6.56. That means the battery is good. So what can be the problem here? An idea? Okay, let me disconnect this panel for the display. And try to concentrate on the tracks because the battery looks good. 6.56, that's a good indication. let's concentrate on this panel. So how we can fix this? We have 5 lines. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. So what I want to do is very simple. I will try to resolder all these pins, all these pins, all these pins, and we'll come back for testing. I'll try to resolder all these pins, because if there's 1 or 2 pins with the correct desolder, it's very possible to have like such kind of display. I don't think we have a faulty chip or something like. So let's start at that point. So I'll solder all these lines, just to resolder pin by pin, and after that we can test together. So let's see now. So what I did here, I was resoldering each and every pin, all these 6 lines, and it's time for testing. Let's test on. Yeah, I'm trying. How can you see? You see the numbers? You see all those numbers? It's no longer cutting. So I think it's fixed. I think our scale is fixed. So, or if we have this kind of digital scale, we have to make sure you resolder all these pins. Probably there's 1 or 2 pins with the correct desolder. So that can give you a distorted display. So now all the numbers, they are working fine. You can see these numbers. Check here. All the numbers, they are displaying fine. Check here. All the numbers, they are displaying fine. So what I will do, I'll put all together and we'll do the final test. So I just finished mounting the scale with the stand, and check the numbers here. You can see the 0 because there's no load there. There is no load, so it seems as if this scale is working fine. You see this 0 is no longer cutting. All those numbers, hopefully you are seeing all the numbers. Everything is working fine. So if you have a digital scale which is giving you biased numbers, check on the tracks. Probably you'll be having correct desolder. and this job is done. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you on the next replay. Bye.